and play it. So what are we doing for the left hand? Do you remember? Right, we're using
just chords?
No. Look, we're going to use the stuff on page 63. So we're just going to use one note in the left hand because the right hand has all these chords, right? So let's read through that really quick. Let's read through page 63. Ready? We can give each one 2 beats just to make it a little faster. So like it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Just for the sake of time. Okay, ready? Reading page 63. Left hand. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. You're just going to play the root note. In what position? Where's your hand at? Yeah, so 5 is on a G, right? Okay. So we're gonna split the class up again, ready? So you guys do right hand first and you guys do left hand first. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready? Switch. Ready?
No.
And if you want to do both parts, you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Ready? Play. goodbye to that piece. Everybody's like, needs coffee. Let's go to page 68. We're learning a new accompaniment pattern first. So, all in blue, the Alberti bass. There once was a man named Alberti, and he came up with this. Literally, all his last name was Alberti. Okay. So what do we have? We have, in the first example, right, it's basically a blocked chord, but we're going to break it up, right? So one note for each beat. So you go with the root first, bottom, top, middle, top. Has anyone heard that before in music? All the time? Like that concept piece, okay. Right. So let's just play that first example. Ready? Play the left hand part. So F, it sounds like you can all do it anyway. And then you can do it with different inversions, right? So let's do the second one. A 4 chord, a B flat chord. Look at the second example, right? So F, D, B flat, D. Everybody look down? So are we all playing the second one? Yeah, second. Okay. Yeah, and use finger 2 on the B flat. Get me picky. Right, and then play it blocked. I want to hear silent chords. Very good. And then what's the next one? A 5/7 chord would be the finger 5 moves down. Good. Good. And then what about a different? There's an example 4. It's a different way to voice the chord. You can have finger 4 playing a G. Right, this piece uses that later on. Okay, now let's play through example 5. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2. F. Okay.
Question.
Yeah.
What is the difference between 3 and 4?
Okay, 3 and 4, the bottom note.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's just like what?
Let's block this. So let's start at measure 5. Ready? So we do, it would sound like this. Everybody listen? Because you all have to do this. So blocking would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you get what I did? I just blocked each chord. Ready? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Okay. So on measure 3, I just played one beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Get it? Going from each chord. So I played the F chord and then the B flat chord. Yeah. Right. It's just like your inversions, right? When you're doing the close position chords. So if you did 1, 4, 1, 5, 7, 1. Just like all the other pieces we've done harmonizations for. Right? Okay. But now it's just broken up. Okay. So let's go through this piece. Right, let's just block the left hand. Let's do the same thing. Starting in measure 68. And I'll play the melody. Everybody listen? Let's play it with this stuff. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to use a different sound. So, you guys are just playing the left hand. Don't change any sounds yet. Just left hand. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and ready, go. Sorry, yeah, just play it the way it's written. Yeah, play Alberti. Right. So 1 and 2 and ready? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and ready, go. Rest. So that part is really tricky. Circle the rests and measure 9, right? The half rests. How many beats do half rests get? 2. Okay. So I thought that was a little awkward, but it's just because your right hand is going to be playing stuff, right? So go back to piano. Right, so that's a little tricky. Okay, now you guys do the right hand. Measure 3, what do you do with that scale? What finger starts it? Shift. Finger 2, and then you cross 1, 2, 3. And then you got the major scale, right? An F scale. Right? And B flat it.
How do you shift to 2 just to start again at 1?
So then you can start the F major scale, right? Are doing the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. That when it has the rhythm track, when I play a low note, it starts like adding these like chords and I can't actually play. So then I had to like switch. I was playing the left hand up high and then playing the bass note. It was weird. Okay, so good. Now let's see. Do you guys want to try it hands together? I think this one is fine. Because really you just have to switch chords and just follow through with it, right? page 70, right? Because we'll work on this one Wednesday as well. This is just a little exercise you can do, right? So, just to get better at alberting. Oh, and then circle that in measure 4. There's 2 chords there, right? And if you want, you can speed it up. Just to really get your fingers working. Let's play through this one, just as written. Maybe we'll do it with the metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Tricky, right? Let's just go through, let's block the chords. So the first one, we have F, A, and C, right? F chord, okay? Then a B flat chord. What inversion is it? What's that? Second inversion. Why is it second inversion? Who can describe why it's second inversion? Describe what the
top,
what's the bottom note? Let's think. So we have the top note is on the bottom. So we have okay. So hang on. Listen. So in a basic chord, a root position chord, we have the root, which is B flat, the third, and the fifth. Right? B, D, F. So in this one, the root is the middle one. But also, just think, they took these notes, these 2 down here, and they moved them up here. So what would make it a first inversion chord? What note would I have to move down? The D, I would move the D down to this, right? That's first inversion. Like the next chord, so we have B flat. What's the next one? Back to F, and then a C7. What's the root of that chord? If it's called a C7, what would the root be? So the root is whatever the chord is called, right? It's a C7, so the root is C. That's just how it's written out to play it, right? So for any chord where it's like D or G, right? The root is always the name of the chord. So if it's saying an E chord, that's it. The root is E, right? Because it's like the bottom. Okay? Good. So that's a C7. And then we have another position in C7. What note do they add? What would that be in a C7? What would a G be in relation to a C in a C7? So thinking of a chord, a C chord, play a C chord. G, what is G? It's a fifth, right? So they just add a fifth in there. Right? And they leave out the E, they leave out the third for that one. Why do you think, hang on, why do you think it's called a C7?
Shouldn't it be just something totally different?
you got the sevenths here. So what's the seventh? The B flat. So it just gives it that sound that needs resolution, right? Because it's going to go to, the B flat's going to go down to A, and the E's going to go up to F, right?
So do you keep G though?
In when we resolve to F. Not for the Albertian pattern. What do you use? Yeah. Because in the pattern, music gets harder, and I guess sometimes they do that. But yeah, you don't have to. Okay, now measure 5. Just an F chord, B flat, F, C7, and F. Okay. Good. You want to play through it one more time? I think this time it'll sound decent. Okay, ready? 2, 3, 4. Everyone's starting with finger 3 on A, correct? Finger 3 on an A. Yep. And finger 4 will go up to B flat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Ready? Go. Okay, good. So that one, work on that one, right? And then try it staccato sometimes. Just to see your fingers moving, right? Okay? So that's all we have for that. Does anyone have questions about any of these? I'm going to send out the assignment sheet. So you have to review Unit 4 and 5, right? 54, 56, 60, just more technique stuff. Play through things, right? Play through them and understand the concepts, right? Don't just read stuff. Because unless you can play on the piano, it doesn't make sense, okay? Keep doing the warm-up. That'll be our warm-up this page right here, 70. Song of Joy, let's work on that one. And then look ahead, Looking Glass River, page 68, 69, right? We're working on that. And tap and count it, right? Maybe. Count out loud. Think of the notes, the chords, right? And then keep working on your exam piece. Does anyone, since we have like 2 minutes, does anyone want to play their piece or a portion of it? Maybe how about the first couple measures? Anyone? Okay. So if no one has questions, remember also Wednesday, get the metronome app. Because you get daily participation grades. That's part of it. Okay. Nice work. If you have questions, I'm available outside class.